tutorial. Obviously that's why we're here. That's why you clicked on this video for a makeup tutorial. And we're gonna be doing this look right here. My camera doesn't really pick up color at all, hardly. So yeah, but the colors that I'm about to tell you that are on my eyes, they are on my eyes. Just the camera is not picking it up because it just, I don't know why, it just never picks up color. But I have blue. You might see that on camera since it's like you could see like there's more on my eye than the other colors. So you might be able to see the blue on the outer part of my eye. There's purple in the middle part, and then there's pink on the inner part, which you probably can't really see because my camera can't pick it up, and because, I mean, obviously I did a half cut crease so you could hardly see those colors, but I did use those colors, and I really love how this turned out. Really glam on the lid, and then not really much on the bottom part of the eye, and I really love that look when there's so much going on the lid and then there's not much going on the bottom part. Like, that's just like my kind of thing. Like, I love that. I don't do that a lot because for me personally, I don't know, sometimes it just looks weird. I like most of the looks that I do, it needs a bottom lash line color because like it will look weird if it doesn't. So I did something different. I really love how it looks. You could totally do the bottom lash line, like really smoke it out with the colors that I used in the colors that you will see later. You could totally put that down there on the bottom lash line. I'm just not, because I want to switch things up a little bit. And by the way, this video is a voiceover, just so you guys know, so you guys don't get surprised. I don't usually do voiceovers because, I don't know, I just never do. I just like talking to you guys and tell you guys what I'm using and tell you guys if it's pigmented, what I'm using, or if it's horrible, what I'm using, or whatever. Like, I just like to talk to you guys, and that's just my personality. I just love talking. So recording and having a YouTube channel is really a thumbs up for me personally, because I just love talking and talking to random people sometimes. So that's the thing, and I really love opening up to you guys also, so that's why I just never do voiceovers. But I do them, but I just hardly do. So yeah, I decided to just do one because, I mean, why not? I did just want to watch like Hulu, Netflix, YouTube, and while I do my makeup, and I did that. So yeah, I'm gonna go and get something to eat because I am hungry. I have a piece of gum in my mouth right now to give me something to like chew on, but I'm gonna go get something keto friendly as always. And yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this colorful half cut crease winged out makeup look right here, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to be grabbing the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm going to be grabbing the color that I'm about to show you guys called Purry, yeah, I'm going to be taking that color right there, and I'm going to be taking that as a transition shade for the makeup that we're going to be doing. And then I'm going to be taking the Dominique Latte palette, and I'm going to be grabbing that blue shade, which is called Cold Brew. I'm so excited to take this color. Oh my god, like, I have not used this color at all yet, and it's so pigmented and so beautiful. I just grabbed a tapered blending brush, and I just put it on the outer part of the crease and outer part of the eye. And then I'm just going to grab Double Shot on the same brush and put it in the middle of the crease. Cold Brew, the blue shade, I actually put that on the outer part of the crease first before I put it on the outer part of the lid. I do that later because I didn't know what I want to do at first, so I was just putting the color down and then figuring it out later. And then I'm going to be grabbing this Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. And I'm going to be taking that pink color on the same exact brush and put it on the inner part of the crease of the eye. And just blend it out and stuff like that with that clean brush that we took earlier. Just blend everything together so everything blends and it's not just like color, color, color. It just blends all together. We really want to make it look really blended. And then at this point right here, I put the blue on the outer part of the eye because I decided to do a half cut crease with glitter and yeah, so I just put that on the outer part of the eye. And then I grabbed this Maybelline New York Super Stay Foundation in Porcelain, and I just used that to cut the crease. And then I'm just going to pat it out with my finger and this brush. And then I'm just going to set it with some kind of powder. And then I'm going to take the Dominique Latte palette again and take that color right there. And I'm just going to put that on the lid. And then I take the blue color a little bit and kind of blend it out a little bit on the outer part. And then this part right here, I'm taking the Naked Cosmetics Glitter in Desert Sunset. And then the M Princess eyeshadow in Pretty Petal. They're both a glitter, so I just like plopped them on. And then I just did my wing. The glitters that I just took, the M Princess one is like a pinky purple one. And then the Naked Cosmetics one is like what it's called, Desert Sunset. It's really, really pretty, and them together is so gorgeous. And then I just did my full face off camera, and girl, I loved my face makeup that day. But anyway, I'm gonna grab the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk and put that in my waterline. And then just put some Airspun Loose face powder on my under eye, and then put mascara down there. The mascara I use is the same mascara that I use for my top lashes. It is the Total Temptation mascara by Maybelline, and it's in black. And then I'm grabbing this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter powder in, what is it called? I totally forgot what it's called, but it'll be down below for you guys. Everything in this video will be down below. And I'm going to put that on my inner corner as my inner corner highlight. And put on the Mellow matte lipstick in Posh and the Ulta lip gloss in pink. But yeah, so I hope you guys like this makeup look. I really love how this turned out. I was gonna be doing something totally different because I wanted to mess, like, right when I sat down in this chair and turn on the camera, I wanted to do something smoky, something for fall, but something like very like sparkly and things. But then like the colors in the Dominique Latte palette, by the way, she commented and liked my photo the other day, and oh my god, I can't get over that. Like, that's so whatever. But I tagged her in the picture and said that I used it or whatever, and she like put a little heart emoji or heart-eyed emoji, and I like fainted or something like that. You know, a lot of things happened. But I just like pulled out this palette, and I wanted to use this palette, like I wanted to use caramel like I usually do for a transition, but then I was like, I haven't used this blue and I only use this purple like a little bit, so let's do something colorful. So I did, and yeah, you can't, I don't think, I mean, usually my camera doesn't really pick up color. Why is my necklace doing that? Stop it, you're not even on tight, stop. But this look is so colorful IRL, and I don't know if it's gonna pick up like it is like when I'm looking at it right now in the mirror. It's super colorful. You could see all the colors that I've used. You could see the purple, you could see the blue, you could see the pink. You could see it, and I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it on camera or not. I'm gonna have to see if you can when I'm editing, but yeah, I really love how this turned out. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe if you're new. If you are new, hit that bell button once you hit the subscribe button, and the bell button will notify you every single time I upload a new video, and you could be the first one to like the video and comment on the video that you got notification that you know what I'm talking about. Like when you get a notification, you swipe and you like and you share and you comment. You do all those fancy cool things. And YouTube is coming out with like this big update, and I don't know if you guys heard about it at all, but you should go do some research about it because it sounds so cool, and I'm definitely going to be trying it out because I don't know, I feel like that's so fun and I want to do it. So, you know, just like search YouTube big update or whatever, and it'll probably come up and you could just look at it from there. But I'm definitely going to be doing that. That's everything that I used in this video will be down below for you guys in order that they've been shown. Also, my social media links will be down below for you guys to go check out. If you're not really active on YouTube, you can go follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat, and yeah. So, I don't think there's anything else to say, guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!